When I was in waiting phase for the organ transplant, I was very frustrated. I didn't know where to look for help. So I thought I would, learn something about organ donation and why it was very hard in New York State. So I decided to volunteer, to sign up for a volunteer orientation and LiveOnNY. That was in September in 2015. So I went there, I met Phoebe, community outreach coordinator. So, they walk you through like why this cause is very important, why organ donation, why we have to be advocate for ourselves is very important. We saw some videos and it really touched my heart that day. And since then, like, I have been working as a volunteer with LiveOnNY. And mind you, at that time I was in oxygen and wheelchair. And I went there and I was like really touched by what they do for donor family and for recipient. That was a place where, where they get the call that, oh, they have potential donor, and the computer makes the match and they call the potential recipient who are getting the organ. So it was a very, humbling experience working with them and learning about the process how transplant goes on.